Maryland reports more than 500 new cases of coronavirus today, inching closer to 133,000 cases. There are currently more than 400 people hospitalized. 113 are in ICU. 3,800 Marylanders have died. Hello again, I'm Lynn Bowie. The statewide positivity rate jumped about 3% for the first time since the beginning of this month. And this just in, Baltimore City schools will start bringing more students back into the classroom starting next month. WJZ is live. Avajoy Burnett is outside City School headquarters. Avajoy?
Hi, good afternoon, Lynn. Well, the way this will essentially work is more students with high priority needs will be able to go back into the classrooms in just a matter of weeks in November. The CEO of public schools here in Baltimore City, Dr. Sonia Santelises, made the announcement this morning just about an hour ago that an additional 25 schools, which have demonstrated an ability to safely educate the students inside those buildings, will be opening their doors to more students this fall. This will be for students who really need to be in a classroom, like special education students and students who are learning English. Here's the CEO explaining why this is so important at this time.
The continued focus for us is how do we provide families who have said that distance learning is not working for their students, homeless families and others, to be able to provide them with additional options.
And the way this will all work to see who will be able to come back, city school officials will be reaching out to select a few parents to gauge their interest in bringing their students back in just a matter of weeks in November. And Baltimore City also announced that they will plan to expand to all of their schools for the second semester. That will be at the end of January. And let's talk a little bit about Baltimore County. They had a meeting last night that went really late into the night, actually early in the morning, and they too decided on a similar model where they will be bringing back students with high priority needs who will just benefit more if they're actually in an in-person setting. We'll have much more for you guys coming up this afternoon on WJZ. Live tonight at Baltimore City School Public Headquarters, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.
In Baltimore City, health officials are concerned as we see an uptick in cases. There are now more than 16,000 cases and 454 people have died.
And we now have a 30% higher daily new case count than we had a month ago. Our current number of new cases per 100,000 people is 12.5, up from 9.6 about a month prior, and above the state's overall average.
But the city's positivity rate continues going down. Officials remind people to get tested and encourage residents to also get the flu shot. The threat of a twin-demic looms with a severe flu season and a surge in COVID cases. Traditional Halloween activities are not advised during the pandemic.